In this video, I'm showing you how to fix the Secure Boot and Tpm 2.0 required error for Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Beta for Asus Motherboard. Restart your PC, go to BIOS, press Delete repeatedly. Click on Advanced. Select PC-HFW configuration. Enable firmware TPM and click OK. Next, go to Boot. Select CSM Compatibility Support Module. Disable Launch CSM and click OK. Go back and select Secure Boot. Change the OS type to Windows UEFI mode. Select Key Management and click Install Default Secure Boot Keys. Click Yes, save changes and exit. That's it. Learn something new? Hit subscribe and tap the bell for more quick computer tips. See you in the next one.